What's going on? You're not with your boy Director KayGee, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your own affordable, cheap, at-home photography studio. Now, for those who may or may not know, I also do photography alongside the videography stuff. And this year I decided to put more focus towards my photography, and especially in the winter, being that I can't really do my outdoor photography stuff, I figured why not try to set up my own home studio. Shout out to my boy Nick for allowing me to create a space at his place, because if not, I'd still be renting out photography studios out in Brooklyn, because that's the most affordable and convenient one at the moment. If you guys take the time to save up a little bit of money, you can have your own home studio. The priciest thing is probably gonna be a camera. I know any smartphone really has great camera quality these days. So with that being said, you don't have to go the DSLR route. Other than the camera itself, these are pretty much gonna be your necessities for an at-home, cheap, affordable photography studio. So here we go. Full disclaimer, majority of the items you're going to be able to find on Amazon simply for the convenience. However, if you guys want to go to other stores like B&H, but if you want to save time and trouble, feel free to look these up on Amazon. We're going to start off with the backdrop setup itself. So I ordered the backdrop on Amazon for about 40 bucks. And I was able to grab two of them. I did the pink and red just because Valentine's Day was coming up, so I figured why not do some shoots with, you know, pink and red background, and try to promote for that. It's a brand called Hume. The quality is pretty good. It's an 18-foot long by 4.4 inches wide. It's been doing its thing, and as you can see, like, some of these pictures that I've taken already come out damn great. You're gonna need a curtain pole of some sort to hold the backdrop because it is on a roll. So I recommend getting a curtain pole from IKEA. IKEA had a curtain pole for about $7. It's doing me just fine. It's also adjustable, so if I decide to move it to another wall that I might need more space for, I can easily adjust it to about, I believe, 7 feet or 8 feet. If you go on Amazon, you can easily get yourself some hooks. If you type in curtain hooks on Amazon specifically, they're going to give you literal small tiny hooks for the curtain rods. So what I did was I found these curtain hook holders, meaning they're meant to hold curtains back, but I can use those instead as actual hooks themselves, and it works great. Also, I don't know if I mentioned the price of the curtain holders, but the curtain holders that I got were around $7 as well. So you're gonna need a flash because not every space is gonna have the light that you need. Also, when you're doing studio photography, you're gonna want everything in focus so you can grab more details, make the shots look cleaner. And in order to do that, you gotta change your camera settings, and when you do that, it tends to get really dark, hence why you need flash to compensate. What I got was a newer brand speed flash for about 65 bucks. This is probably going to be the second most expensive item that you purchase in order to make this whole setup go together. You're going to want to set up that flash on a light stand or even a tripod. If you want to go the cheap route, you can get a $20 Amazon tripod. As long as it has a three-quarter threading to screw your light onto, it'll work perfectly fine. You're gonna want to keep in mind the height of your ceiling so that when you're bouncing light from the walls to your subject, that the height variation of the tripod is gonna, you're gonna have to take that into account. I personally use a light stand from Amazon as well. That light stand is about 35 bucks, 36 bucks to be exact. Another important piece of equipment you're gonna need for your flash is a transceiver and a receiver. Why I keep saying transceiver? A transmitter and a receiver to send the signals from your camera to the flash so that it can actually flash. You could get it on Amazon for about $32. You're also going to need some masking tape to tape down your backdrop so it doesn't, of course, roll up on you and stuff like that, just so you can keep it set, steady, and good to go. Keep in mind, this is the affordable route, so majority of you guys, if you want to start off your own home studio, should be able to get started fairly quickly with the items I recommended. But again, it's up to you on which route you want to go. You can go the pricey route, you can go the affordable route. But again, check out these images. This is what I've been doing with my setup, so just imagine what you guys can do with your setups. So as you can see here, I recorded some BTS of my most recent shoot, and everything is just great. Like, you can see the backdrop, you can see how I set it up here. I got my flash off to the side, and I'm just going to work. The grand total, or the estimated grand total for my setup, is around $190. So if you want to round that up, we can easily just go $200. And again, this is everything but the camera you're going to be shooting on. Make sure you save enough money for your camera first, your DSLR. Get yourself some good glass. I recommend an easy 50mm 1.8 lens. It's pretty affordable, only about, I believe, 150 bucks. So you get your camera, you get your lens, and then you get these items that I already listed in this video, and you'll be off to a great start. I hope you guys were able to learn something. I hope you guys were able to take some notes, and I hope you guys are also able to start your own home studios. And with that being said, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to be awesome. KG, I'm out of here.